Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the opening hours of a particular place on the National Trust application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should discover a place where you want to go and that you would like to know more about. You can either use the list function here or select a place from your map or type in the exact location. If you have found that particular National Trust place that you are interested in, just simply scroll down till you find the opening times here. As you can see, it is now closed, but you can select the exact date when you want to visit that place, and you can see the opening hours of that particular date. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.